Hello. Yeah, good evening. Sorry for internet interruption. Welcome back, all of you. It is the third day session of web development course. Now we are just we'll start the just we'll repeat the whatever we have learned yesterday. We'll just recall all the things within a 5 minutes. So yeah, hello. Am I audible? Yeah, thank you. So I'm just going to present my screen now. And don't worry, I'll also record study session, okay, again, and we'll send you. So today's session is on recording, so don't think like it will not record today. Yeah, I have just paused my video and I started presenting. Okay, so we have learned a little bit about HTML and we've seen some 4 or 5 I think CSS tools, or just we have changed the color and yeah, background color and font color, okay, of the text. So today, yeah, okay, so today we'll learn more and we'll go through the next step. I will try to cover fast today, okay, because we already late or delay in our session. So just start. So yesterday we have seen that introduction of the HTML and we have installed the XAMPP server and Sublime Text 3 editor, where I have already showed you one demo, and I've created one index file and some little bit information about where is the title section, what we put in title tag, what we put in head tag, and where are the rest body part we can write on our pages. So we have seen today. So today we'll see, and we have also seen some attributes of HTML, some elements of HTML is there. So we have now heading. We have seen heading, paragraph, styles. Okay. So now we have like paragraph styles. Then after formatting, quotation, comments, color, CSS. We have also seen links, how to give link means hyperlink using anchor tag, and today we'll see that how can apply or use image on our pages. See now whatever I am showing you, that is just a scratch. Okay, so that's in a systematic way. Once we done that, now we have to create one specific file. Okay, then at that time all the information will be in a position. Okay, so don't be worried like sir is saying like this is heading one, and this is paragraph, and it's pre-tag, and some background color wherever he wants he is going to change. Yes, I am going to change like this because the we just first we have to know about the what is the tag, and where we can use and what is the use of that tag. Okay, so today we'll also see HTML images and HTML tables, how to get list, blocks, classes. Okay, so uh, I'll go in my PC's C drive and just going in XAMPP And yesterday I have created one file name. Sorry, yesterday I created one folder or project name in htdocs. So here the project name was. Can anyone suggest the name of the project what I have created yesterday? Anyone who have remember? Yes. Anyone? Yeah, web development. Okay. So yesterday I have created a web development project folder, and within this web development I have also created one more folder which was session 1. Okay. So I'm just going to open the session 1 again, and see, here is my index file. So which editor I'll use for open this file? So just I'm just going to run this file normally, okay, without starting the XAMPP server. So the file is state, and yesterday we have created like this. Okay, so we'll go through the next part of this next part in this index file. So now I'm just going to start my server. So XAMPP, come on XAMPP, where are you? Just XAMPP. अभी हम जो हमने कल जितना पढ़ा था, ठीक है। आरती, just pause your video. आरती, just pause your video. So I have started XAMPP. Just going to open. Just start the Apache. Come on, XAMPP. So just come on, start. So now our XAMPP has started. So now I will start my run my project or file to server. Okay. So just go to here and just to localhost. So I'm just going to write here after this. Yeah, localhost localhost session 1 and just started this one. Show the same page machine. Now just going to the coding area, and for this I'm just going to start the Sublime text editor. So Sublime text. Okay, just open, and hope you all have installed XAMPP or Sublime text editor in your PC. So if you have any problem regarding installation, so you can ask. Okay, so I hope you all have installed. Yes. Sure. Okay. So this is my Sublime Editor, and we have created one project yesterday. So now this is the design we have created, and now today we will go through the systematic way from heading, and I'll show you step by step, one by one tag. Okay. So this is the body. I have given some designs and pre-tag. Now after that, today we are just going to, we have used heading tag, paragraph tag, style we have seen, uh, how to write uh, anything, any text in quotation, like in just like in double quote we write now. So how we'll write? So just take it. So for this, suppose that I want to write something. So I'll see like this. So the tag which is used to give a quotation is block quotes that define a section that is quoted from another source. Okay. So if you want to write something like you are copying something from somewhere, so if you want to give like this source, this paragraph is taken by some different uh, websites or different sources, then you can use quotation like block quote. Like see, I am giving block quote, BLOQUOTE, yeah, block quote, and just open and close. And within this block quote, you can write block quote site, CITE. Okay, block quote site is equal to, suppose that I have given HTTPs or slash www.indiatechsoft.com, indiatechsoft.com. So, and here I just want to write something like getting some request. Yeah, Harshad. So, and now we can write here like India, welcome, Vivek, welcome. Yeah, just I'm just opening India Tech Soft. Yeah, yes, I am recording the lecture. Aditi, I am recording lecture. Actually, today is my internet connection a little bit slow, so maybe you'll face some problem in my voice or in videos. So I just copy this one. Okay, just copy it. Come on, and just go to IC dash here. Yeah. So here I'm just going to paste the content whatever I have copied. So here I have copied. Just save. So what is block code actually? So block code means if you have some elements or some source, some contents which you have copied from another source. Okay. So that is written in block code. Okay. So just run this. See, this is the block code area. Like this is from copied from some another uh, sites. Okay, and now the next is a q. Q is also used to define a short quotation. Okay, closely insert quotation marks around the q. So the same thing, if I want to use here, I have one paragraph. I have one, so that I have one paragraph here, and that is P, and P close. Under this P, hey everyone, hey everyone, EVERY, sorry, everyone. And if you want to quoted it, okay, so you can use the particular area like everyone you want to quote. So here you will use Q tag, uh, yes, Q, yeah, Q tag, and just open, and same thing here will use to close. Okay, save and go to the browser and just refresh. Sure, see, this is the quotation, double quote. Okay, this is in double quote. Okay, now the next is these are the quotation and citation elements in HTML. Like you want some, you define some abbreviation or any acronyms. So at that time you have tag is ABBR. We'll use. Getting some. Someone is trying to connect. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is everyone, and if I want to give something like, I just copied some dummy text. Uh, P and P under is copying to copy like something, this much text I'm going to copy, and just paste. Okay, and I want to give some variation like V. After V we want some variation like uh, ABBR, and the title like title equals to India Tech Soft, yeah, INDIA Tech Soft. Okay, and just close ABBR, and after that here just close the A B B R. So here is the closing section. Okay, so just save it, and see we have highly. So we is in different style, and we have highly skilled developers with excellent technical knowledge and experience. So I think somebody is Pranjal. Okay, so these are different. You can also use address for contact information. Like if you want to give some contact information or address in your HTML page, then you can use address tag. So it defines actually content information like author or owner of a document or article, means who have written these uh, books, or who have written this code. Okay, it is spread in the italic. By default, address is in italic. Okay, so I'm just going to use the address ADDRESS, address open, address close, and just write uh, Shantwadi Pune, ANTWADI, Shantwadi Pune, and yes, this is one. If you want to give break, you want to apply break, you can apply break here, and just BR, and after that you can write the pin code and like contact number 99702202181, and after that again you want to give break, then you can give sorry, break, and then again you can write some pin code like 411015 and just this one, and just save. I think somebody's CUB. Okay, just come to the session and just take. So this is the format for address. So I think in envelope or in any websites, even in somebody's right gives the address like this link in italic format. So by default, when you ever you use address, it will be like this. Okay, so in italic format. Now the next one is we have a uh, bidirectional and some site title of the work, whatever you have done is you want to show, it will come in title. So like you can use this next tag is site tag. So after this address, okay, just to check. Okay, so Swapnil have asked if we want to want single quote, then you can write in single quote. Even if you want to give double quote, you can write like this. See, Swapnil, I am just here giving a paragraph P, and I want to write something in double quote. So I just directly give double quote and just P and hey, and just save. Or if I only single quote, then single quote hey. Okay, so can you can also like use like this. See, here is the same thing. Everyone in Q, what here you will use Q. Yeah, you can add. I'll show you once whenever we'll try to add some images. Okay, it'll show you how to add audio file, how to add video file, how to add images. Okay, it'll show you all. Okay, so I'm just giving you all the things in directly. I'm not giving any theory, and so we must have to work on the practical stage. So that's why I'm giving the practical. So now say let's see the what is the use of site tag CITE. So for this we have suppose that we have a paragraph P, and under this in this paragraph we have some text. Okay, and I want to highlight this much. We have highly skilled developer. So I want to highlight this highly skilled developer. Okay, so here I'll use the tag which is site CIT tag, and just after this I want to close site. Okay, and so see this highly skilled developer means this is in italic format, and these all are in the normal text. Okay, so if suppose let me change first the background color of this page. So for this just go here, and now where you have changed here, here we have used background colors. Okay, so I am going to use the different color. So for this, for color code, you can go to this color code site, color code. Okay, in HTML or in CSS, whatever. And yeah, we are now in HTML color code. we can find the code of the color like this. Here I have used light gray. This is the name of the color. But if I want to use the color code of this light gray, then what will the color code? So just copy and you can just here color light gray color code. Okay, so just Google it and you'll find the yeah, these are the different color codes for light gray. So silver, dark gray. Okay, you can copy this one also in hexacode or you can copy the RGB format. Okay, just copy and here I can paste. And if you run just because we have used the same color code, that's why it is same. So now here you can see the various types of color. So whatever color you want, you can just like do like this. There's a scroller, and you can just go like this one, which area, whatever the color you want. Like if you want like this, you just go to here, and this is the color code, and just copy this code in hex, and just go to your session, and just see hexadecimal code always start with has symbol. Okay, so now just come to your see. So now we are able to change the code of this, sorry, color of this web page. Now, sure. Now, yeah, Harshad, you can use the name also. Okay, but if you want to use name, then you directly put the name. No need to use has symbol. Okay, but if you want to use code, you can. Actually, the number of the name of the color, how many you can learn? How many color you can remember? आप कितना याद कर सकते हो कलर? ठीक है, इसके लिए क्या होता है हमारे पास कोड्स होते हैं because we have see the total number of colors in world is RGB. These are the three primary colors. Okay, so each one have 255, 255, 255 values. Okay, so R having 255, so 255 and into suppose that green have 255 code 255 and R, G and B also has 255 because these are the primary color. So if you multiply them, you will find that this much. So so it is not possible to remember all the codes, all the name like this ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000s, million, 10 million, billion. So now see, approx 1 crore 65 lakh 81,000 or 1 billion 65 million like this color. Okay, so it is not possible to remember. Okay, see I have just written Google it 255 255 255 and see the here. So but you can use okay like some primary colors like red, green, black, blue, whatever we have learned in 5th class or till 7th standard. Okay, so write the 10 color name, so that things I have name only remembered only. Okay, so here you will find all the color codes. Here you can match color code. Okay, you can change. So these are the websites. So okay, yeah. So we have changed the background color successfully. Now also send the site. Now we are Just going to copy this, copy, and just paste here. And the next one is we use BDO. What BDO means? Bi directional. Okay. So like BDO. So sorry, we cannot use here video. For video, we have to go here in directly BDO. Okay. And DIR means directional. DIR. Okay. And is equals to in double quote we use RTL. So right to left. RTL means right to left. Okay. So here double quote close, and this one, sorry, this one double quote, and here we'll write. So here BDO will be there. Just save, and let's check what we are getting. Mm, see, see. The default was what we have written there and what we are getting. We have directly highly skilled developer with excellent technical knowledge. But what we are getting standard software latest using in experience and knowledge technical, just like from right to left. Okay, so here standard and everything. This is STANDARDS. Okay, SOFTWARE. So I hope you are getting this all the tag. Step by step I am showing you. Okay, so these are the quotation and citation element to use for quotation purpose. Okay, and now the next part is how to give comment. Okay, how we can apply comments on tag. So in HTML, if you want to like give comment on this, suppose that I want comment on, yeah, this is, I'm just writing one thing. Today we have started from here. Okay, so I want to give comment here. So here we'll use left angle tag, not hyphen. Okay, again you have to write something. So this is all about second session. Okay, or second day, or second session. So here just this one give, and this. So now it just becomes a comment. It becomes a comment on the page. Okay, once you run this page you will not get this value whatever you written here. We will not get this text. Okay, this paragraph. So just let's see, didn't get anything because, but we have put it in after that this Vivek, this pre tag हमने इसके बाद लगाया है और हम उससे कमेंट कर सकते हैं. द की शॉर्टकट की Yes, video tag is used to change the current text direction, and not only direction only, all the text format changed. Like if you have written VIVEK, then you will get KEVIV. Okay, so okay, so please increase font size so it becomes more clear to us. Okay, I'm just going to increase here. I'll show you how to increase this font. So now is it fine? Yeah, Ashish. And so please repeat video that. Okay. So yeah, BDO. Just come down. Just I am having some cold, that's why I just pausing the videos and after some time starting. Okay, I'll just show you the video tag. Come, so I think it started. Yeah. So like BDO. Okay, I am writing my name is Vivek. Okay, so here this is my name is Vivek, and now let's check the. So let's go down. Okay, okay, okay. Sure. 1 minute. Because this are in all in single line. So here just going to use the br tag. Okay. So my name is Vivek. Okay. Here, but now I have to give the position. So direction. Okay. So right to left. So uh, dir is equals to rtl. Okay. Because the default whatever we'll write is left to right. Okay, but here we want to show that right to left, so just go down and just refresh, and we are getting, see, this is the spelling Vivek for Vivek, My for my, Name, but we are getting like Kevibsi. Okay, looks like French or German. Yeah. So okay, and now if you suppose that I'm just copying the text of, yeah, okay, same thing is okay, just delete, and just go to my session and just copying this one standard. Okay, I have copied this. Now just go to the here and just paste. See, but whatever we have copied is not here, no. We have copied something different, but here. So whatever we have copied, that is the actual content. Okay, just copied by the system. Okay, yeah, same thing we are getting. So in 1 minute, just giving some paragraph because I'm doing all the things in a single page. So here br applied, and let delete all the things, or because it will present. Okay, I'll share this file with you. Sure, no need to delete. Here is okay. So all the tags will be available in now we are on comment. So we have seen that the way how to apply comment. Okay, like I want to give comment in this whole address, so just select. Okay, or you can write here angle start, then not, then slash. Okay, and then after this one. So now address, this will be comment. Okay, so now see here we have address like this one, Bishantwadi, Pune, or just refresh. So now address is not there because we have commented. Okay, so if you want to comment, you just undo. Okay, now one more thing is there. If you want to comment, so you can use, like again I want to comment, so just save, just go and just refresh my page. So now address is visible here. Now I don't want to write the like this. I don't want to write this one. Okay. So for this we have a shortcut. The shortcut key is Control Shift. First select your part with how many which area you want to just comment. So like I want to comment this blocked area. So just I've selected, and then we have Control Shift in my hand in my laptop. So we'll press Control Shift, and there's what. What means this one. So which one I've selected now? See, uh, on screen keyboard, on screen, on screen keyboard. Come on. Yeah. So just going to undo. Yeah. Just undo. Okay. Now I want to give comment on this particular. So at that time we have Control Shift, then this one, this what. I just click and will now commented, and just save. Just go to the browser and just check where it is showing. This one we have highly skilled. So I just here and this. So now it is available in our web page, in our page, but it is in comment area. So now if you have learned C programming, Java programming, C++ programming, so there are different types of comment section. Okay, so same thing is here. So one is Control Shift plus what you have to remember. Okay, so I'm just writing here. If you want, if you want to give, to apply comment, then you can use ctrl, ct, yeah, rl plus shift plus what. Where is that? Yeah, this one you can use. This one you can use for comment. So hope you are getting till this. Any question? Okay, so just go to the next part. Just remember all this all, because whenever you started actual development, actual coding, at that time you required all the things. Okay, we'll see in a project. We'll see in a, so this is the comment section, and now we'll go to the color. We have seen yesterday how do we can apply color. So now link we have seen. Okay, so in CSS, we'll discuss after this completion of this HTML, because CSS has three types. From there are three ways where we can apply CSS in our programming, in our HTML page. So now we'll see how to insert image. Okay, how to insert image. So let's see, because we have now inserted number of text and paragraphs in our uh, pages. Now it's time to insert a image. So for this, the first thing, we have to find the location where our images are stored in the system or in the project. Okay, So for this, I'm just going to my project. This is my project folder, development, and this is session one. So under this, or okay. So now here we'll create one folder. So I'm going to create folder through Sublime Editor. So here just right click on session one and create new folder. The folder name is img or image or whatever folder name you want to write. Okay. So just img, the name of the folder is created. There is nothing, no any file available in this image. So just going to upload one file. So here directly I'll go here and I want to upload this one. Okay. So just going to save this image, save image, and I'll save image in my project live, in C drive, in XAMPP, in htdocs, and after that the project name is wave. So definitely it will in last web development and under this session one. Okay. So I've created one project, folder name img. So under this img I'll put one. So image one. Okay. And this is in png file. Okay. So .png will be the extension and save the image. Now I want to apply, how to apply image. So here the tag is img. Okay. Img open and this one. Okay. Now we have to give the path. So path means source from where we are, have to access that image. So my image is available in this img. Okay. So in img src is equals to img slash img one dot png. Okay. See, in image folder we have one image which is img dot img one dot png, and now just save and just go to the browser and let's see, let's check, uh, images are there or not. I just refreshed and now come down. See, now image available here. Okay. You can set the height, width of that image. So it will be a different part. We'll see. But how to upload image is this one. Okay. So if you zoomed out, so you'll see image in the whole page. That is 100%. On 100%, we are getting like image this. Okay. So yeah, if you now you can also like alt and here my first image, just given them, just go alter is attribute for image. Okay. Or what is the purpose of that image, that's why the we can give the this is my first image. Okay. So here we'll see how to upload image, and there are various types of images. So the way of uploading images like this, img src and then url. Okay. So here whatever I have written in, first we'll do comment here, image img. Okay. So url is, व्हाट इज द यूआरएल, क्या होता है इसका यूआरएल, हमने कैसे रखा है इसको. सो हमने वी हैव यूज्ड like img src and here is the url of the file. Okay. See, I just put in the URL means the whole path. Okay. Now I am fetching this image from directly from my server. That's why I've given img and img1.png. But if you use the same file on your desktop, then you can't say that sir I'll apply like this. Okay, आप ऐसा नहीं करोगे. At that time आपको क्या करना होगा कि आपको पूरा का पूरा सी ड्राइव से लेकर वहां तक का पाथ देना पड़ेगा. जैसे अगर मैं चाहता हूँ आई वांट टू यूज इमेज फ्रॉम माय डाउनलोड्स and the image is yeah, training. So just click here. So I'll go like this, not just going to the drive and images. Okay, just going to copy this, or not only this one. I'm just going to copy. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, like an image. I just want, okay, I want like this image. Okay, so just copy and I just going to paste in the drive. I have pasted that image name is this one. So just here, and I think it is png file. So just copy and come here, d slash 15 dot png. Let's check. No images, nothing. See here, this is the for this area. After ew we are getting this, after this ew image, but the actual path not getting. Okay, if I give like this one, then no. Okay, so but this is for image img. If you remove this one from here, still you will get that imgsrc file. And sure. So this is the URL for how to apply image. Okay, src means source. Okay, so from where we have to fetch the image file. Okay, and hope you want, and we should take 5 minute break. Yes, or having water, drinking water. So just going to pause the video. I'll start.